The world of online business is evolving rapidly, and one of the key drivers of this evolution is artificial intelligence. AI has become essential in today's digital landscape, transforming how we operate, interact, and even think about business. From automating mundane tasks to providing insights that were previously inaccessible, AI is no longer just a competitive edge but a necessity for staying relevant. As online business owners, we often wear many hats. We're responsible for creating content, managing social media, handling customer service, and much more. But let's be honest, managing all these tasks can be overwhelming. Time management becomes a significant challenge. We're constantly juggling multiple responsibilities, and it's easy to feel like we're just trying to keep our heads above water. Scaling our business is another hurdle. As our business grows, so does the workload. We're not just doing more of the same tasks, we're also dealing with more customers, more content, and more complexity. And then there are the repetitive tasks. Tasks like data entry, responding to common customer inquiries, and even social media posting can become tedious and time-consuming. These tasks don't just suck up our time, they also suck up our energy. They're often so monotonous that they can make us feel like robots rather than business owners. And the worst part is, they're usually not even contributing to the growth of our business. Repetitive tasks can also lead to human error. When we're doing the same task over and over again, it's easy to get complacent and make mistakes. And in business, mistakes can be costly. Automation can solve many of these problems. By leveraging AI, we can turn over some of these tasks to machines, freeing up our time to focus on strategy, creativity, and growth. There are many AI tools available today that can help automate different aspects of our online business. For instance, AI-powered chatbots can handle customer service, providing instant responses to common questions and freeing up our time to deal with more complex issues. AI can also help with content creation, suggesting topics, and even writing drafts. Email marketing automation tools use AI to personalize messages, automate follow-ups, and analyze engagement, making it easier to turn leads into customers. And social media management tools can schedule posts, analyze engagement, and even suggest content. But one of the most significant breakthroughs I've experienced with AI is in streamlining my operations. By integrating AI tools into my business, I've been able to cut down on manual labor significantly. For example, I've started using an AI-powered tool that automates my email management. It filters out spam, categorizes my emails, and even drafts responses to common inquiries. This has saved me hours every week and allowed me to focus on more strategic tasks. I've also seen a significant improvement in customer satisfaction, as responses are immediate and personalized. The insights provided by AI tools have also been invaluable. They help me understand my business better, identify areas for improvement, and make data-driven decisions. The transformative potential of AI for online businesses can't be overstated. From automating tasks to providing valuable insights, AI can help take our businesses to the next level. If you're curious about how AI can do the same for you, check out my next video where I dive deeper into the tools and strategies I'm using. Share your thoughts on AI in business in the comments below.